10 ways how to say no in Thai. I'm not interested. When you argue with someone, I'm not interested is ไม่สนใจไม่สนใจไม่สนใจ means I'm not interested. It's almost like you're saying I don't care. You know, someone's saying something. You just don't go around and say to people I don't care unless you're in an argument. Sometimes you say no, but they just don't understand. They just don't get it. They just keep pressuring you. And now you, at your wit's end, you go, all right, that's enough. ไม่สนใจไม่สนใจ means I'm done with you. I don't care anymore. Whatever you say, you just keep it because I don't care. ไม่สนใจ Okay? All right, that was the first one. ไม่สนใจ Okay? Second one. ไม่เหมาะสมไม่เหมาะสม means that's inappropriate. Maybe you want to wear like some kind of booty shorts or something or whatever, like your butt hanging out or your hoo-ha showing, right? So someone is like, oh hey, hold on, you can't go on there. That's ไม่เหมาะสม. You can say that too. You can say to someone, if they say something, if they comment on something about your body parts or your look, and they're like, oh yeah, they're making a comment on it, and you go, hey, hold up, ไม่เหมาะสม. And they'll stop. Because that's more stern now. ไม่เหมาะสม. They know what it means. Okay? You're not playing no more. Alright? ไม่เหมาะสม. Okay? Alright, next one. Third one. I'm not ready. ไม่พร้อมไม่พร้อมไม่พร้อม mean I'm not ready. Next one. Not regretting. ไม่เสียดายไม่เสียดาย means I don't regret my decision. Most of the time it have something to do with money. Someone say, oh man, you pay too much. And you go, well, you know what, ไม่เสียดาย it's worth it. I'm not regretting my decision, so don't tell me what to do. It's my money. I can do however I want. It's the same as like if you overpay for the hotel room and you get a penthouse. And your friend's like, oh man, you shouldn't be paying that. You go, I don't care. I'm rich. ไม่เสียดาย Okay? All right, next one. Unintentional. ไม่ตั้งใจ You did something unintentionally. ไม่ตั้งใจ. In Thailand, people get sensitive when you do certain things that the thing is inappropriate. Okay? And you did it anyway. You didn't know what the hell you did. And everyone's just looking at you. You're at the restaurant. And you need an extra chair. And you see an extra chair over there. So you walk across the room, grab the chair, put overhead, and just walk across all over the restaurant, kind of like over people's head. And you're going to find out real soon that people get real pissed off. Yeah, if you want to piss the whole room off, do that. But you did it unintentionally. So you say, oh, sorry, man. ไม่ตั้งใจไม่ตั้งใจไม่ตั้งใจ and people will forgive you. All right? Okay, next one. ไม่เป็นไปได้ means that's impossible. Not possible at all. ไม่เป็นไปได้ ไม่เป็นไปได้ Okay? ไม่เป็นไปได้ means that's impossible. All these phrases you can use all the time. All right? Go back and watch it or whatever you want to do. All right, next one. I'm not happy. Not happy at all. ไม่มีความสุขไม่มีความสุข means I'm not happy. Sometimes when you go to Thailand, you're going by yourself and you land yourself in Bangkok and you're not happy. Just too many people. It's just like maybe you're one of those introvert. There's nothing wrong being an introvert. You spend most of your time sitting in a hotel and you're afraid to go outside because it's just too much energy, too much crap going on. You don't want to deal with people. Everywhere you go, you're getting scammed or whatever because you haven't seen my video and you're not prepared for that. So you're not happy. ไม่มีความสุข What I suggest for you to do is to go down south of Thailand and go to Phuket, go to Samui, go to whatever, go to the beach. Spend some time away from people. That's how you're going to find yourself and cleanse your soul. Be by the ocean, right? Have fun. Have a beer and just loosen up. You know what I'm saying? All right, next one. It's not good. ไม่ดี ไม่ดี means bad, not good. at all. You know, it's like you're not happy, just not good. If, for instance, like you went to a massage parlor or something, right? You went to a spa and you spent like 5,000 baht for a stupid massage that is like crappy. And you're like, God, man, it's like, where's my money, you know? I'm not happy in the end. Bad massage, right? Mighty. You can use that. Or you can say something about a hotel, you know, where you stay. And the room is like, you know, dirty and roaches everywhere, or the bed's not even made. They don't even change the sheets, right? Have stains everywhere, blood stains, you know what I'm saying? God, man, this hotel is like mighty, not good. It's bad. Go on Yelp, go on whatever. Just like leave them like 1 star. Okay, next one. No problem. No problem at all is ไม่มีปัญหา ไม่มีปัญหา means no problem. Hey, there's no problem. ไม่มีปัญหา. It's like you're drunk, you're walking around, and then somehow you're starting to get in a fight. And the cop showed up. Hey, no. ไม่มีปัญหา means I have no problem. I can walk away. Okay, I can go and down the street and get another beer somewhere. ไม่มีปัญหา. Okay, someone tell you to move along, walk it off or whatever. Just say, hey, I don't want to get in a fight. ไม่มีปัญหา. Okay. All right, next one. It's not what I expected. It's not similar. It doesn't look the same. It's ไม่เหมือน mean doesn't look the same. You try to pull a wool over my eyes. ไม่เหมือน You met someone on Tinder. One of those, right? And you met these girls, and a 60-year-old woman showed up. ไม่เหมือน The photos all look different. Maybe it's her grandma, right? Showed up. You're like ไม่เหมือน Two photos totally different. ไม่เหมือน Or when you order food, you have like, you know, all the menu, and you order spaghetti. There's a photo on it, and it show up as like a fried rice or something, and you show them. It's like ไม่เหมือน Believe it or not, that was 10 ways how to say no in Thai. If you like this kind of content, please give me a like and subscribe. My name is Bodo, and I will see you next time. Peace.